Welcome to techxlovers. Tools you never knew you needed. NKT Fasteners. NKT Fasteners is a Nordic brand with over 120 years of experience in fascinating solutions specially developed and tested for the Nordic climate. They work close to the end user to constantly develop and optimize their products so that the fascinating work is fast, cleaning work is safe, easy, and efficient without compromising the quality. NKT Fasteners is known to provide a large variety of screws which have been specially designed for a specific purpose. One of their most popular range is Spun Plus, an all-around screw for wood. They also have a wide range of different materials such as metal, concrete, and plastic. NKT Fasteners products are used by a wide range of customers, including homeowners, dyers, professional contractors, and businesses. They are known for their high quality, durability, and reliability. Sali Drill Plate Cutter. The Sali Drill Plate Cutter is a versatile tool that can be used to cut a variety of materials including sheet, metal, plastic, and wood. It is easy to use and can be attached to any standard drill. The cutter has a sharp blade that can cut through materials up to 1 to 8 inches thick. The Sali Drill Plate Cutter is a great tool for a variety of tasks including cutting sheet metal for ductwork, roofing, and other applications, cutting plastic for signage, display, and other applications, cutting wood for crafts, hobbies, and other applications. The Sali Drill Plate Cutter is a safe and easy to use tool. It is also very affordable, making it a great value for the money. Proxxon Cordless Tube. Proxxon Cordless Tube Belt Sander IBS-A is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of tasks including grinding and stain finishing in places they are difficult to reach. With regular power tools, it is also ideal for pipe fitting and structural VA steelwork. The IBS-A features a continuously variable electronic speed control for constant speed. Even under high grinding pressure, the head can be angled by up to 60 degrees at a push of a button, and the suction connection with vacuum cleaner adapter permits clean working. The IBS-A comes complete with your 4 abrasive belts, 2 integrate 80, 2 integrate 180, and 2 stain finishing belts. It is powered by 1008 lithium-ion battery which provides at least 30 minutes of use even at maximum power. The Proxxon Cordless Tube Belt Sander IBS-A is a great choice for anyone who needs a versatile and easy-to-use tool for grinding and stain finishing in difficult-to-reach areas. It is ideal for professional contractors, dyers, and hobbyists alike. Raizi EasiSeam. The Raizi EasiSeam is a heavy-duty seam setter that is specifically designed for a large suction cup like Grabo Pro Lifter 20. It is made with aluminum bars and wedges which make it durable and lightweight. The EasiSeam is also easy to install and remove, and it can be used on a variety of surfaces including tile, granite, and marble. To use the EasiSeam, simply attach the suction cups to the slow and 2 slabs that you want to seam together, then turn on the suction cups to create a vacuum seal. Once the slabs are secure, you reach their ratchet to adjust the height of the EasiSeam until the slabs are perfectly aligned. Finally, apply the adhesive to the ends of the slabs and press them together. The Raizi EasiSeam is a great tool for anyone who needs to seam together larger slabs for material. It is easy to use and produce professional-looking results. Drill Grinder. The Proxxon Drill Grinder IBS-A is a cordless professional drill and grinder that is perfect for a variety of tasks including drilling, wheeling, grinding, milling, polishing, cleaning, cutting, engraving, and singing. It is equipped with a 10.8 lithium battery that provides up to 30 minutes of use on a single charge. The IBS-A features a variable electronic speed control for constant speed even under high load. It's also had a collect tool holder with 6 micro-mode steel collect for high concentric accuracy. The IBS-A can use one of the most favorite drill bits and grinding wheels up to 3.0 mm in diameter. The IBS-A is easy to use and comfortable to hold. It is a lightweight design and a soft grip handle. The IBS-A also comes with a variety of accessories including a carrying case, a quick charger, and a set of drill bits and grinding wheel. Metabo The Tank is a portable pancake air compressor that delivers powerful performance and long run time. It is powered by 1.5 HP motor and features an 8-gallon tank that can power a variety of tools including framing nailers, roofing nailers, and finish nailers. The tank also features a built-in oil-free pump that is easy to maintain and provide a long service life. The tank is a popular choice for professionals, contractors, and dyers alike. It is known for durability, reliability, and performance. The tank is also relatively lightweight and easy to use. The tank is powered by a 1.5 HP motor that delivers powerful performance for a variety of tasks. The 8-gallon tank provides long run time, so you can work without having to stop to refill the tank. The built-in oil-free pump is easy to maintain and provides long service life. The tank is made with high-quality materials and construction, so it is durable and reliable. The tank is relatively lightweight and easy to transport, making it ideal for use on job sites and in other locations where probability is important. Loggerhead Tools. Loggerhead Tools is a company that makes high-quality tools for a variety of traders and trades, including constructions, plumbing, and electrical work. Their tools are known for their durability, reliability, and innovative features. One of Loggerhead Tools' most popular products is the Bionic wrench. The Bionic wrench is a hybrid of an adjustable wrench and a pair of pliers. It has a painted design that allows it to grip nuts and bolts from all 6 sides, making it ideal for tight spaces and rusted fasteners. Another popular Loggerhead Tools product is the bolt biter. The bolt biter is a heavy-duty bolt cutter that can cut through bolts up to 1.5 to 2 inch in a diameter. It has a comfortable grip and a long handle for extra leverage. Deltex 6 G2. Deltex G2 is a portable counter-surveillance sweeping system that is designed to detect and locate hidden surveillance devices such as RF belts, GPS trackers, and video cameras. It is a powerful and versatile tool that can be used by law enforcement, security professionals, and individuals alike. The Deltex G2 is easy to use and does not require any special training. It features a simple interface with a larger color display that shows the result of the scan in real time. The Deltex G2 also has a database of non-surveillance devices which make it easy to identify the devices that it detects. The Deltex G2 is a valuable tool for anyone who is concerned about their privacy or security. It can also be used to sweep homes, office vehicles, and other locations for hidden surveillance devices. The Deltex G2 is also a good tool to have in one hand when traveling or staying in hotels. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more videos, subscribe techxlovers.